Hey everyone, let's hear again, December 5th, 2024. This is about Mesoblast. ASX code is MSB or US code MESO, which is stock that we are currently holding together with some of our VP members. And I'm putting this video together just to clarify exactly what's going on with the company, because a lot of people asked me whether this was the FDA approval or couldn't understand what exactly it's happening. And I'm going to explain you right now in this video, so stick with me. And I'm also going to share my thoughts why I think now, after this announcement, despite the stock has fallen 9% during the day, why I think it is prone to reach $2 or beyond within the next few days, unless of course FDA approval doesn't happen. Let's have a look. Remember, this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to chase 20 to 40% profit together with our VP members, or a lot more as we're doing. We have over 55% profit in Mesoblast as we speak, how we set up targets, stop losses, and much more. Also, I want to congratulate whoever did lock in 60% profit together with us at Block, which is another stock that we covered here in this channel. So we've been covering many stocks, many profitable stocks in the channel. So Mesoblast is one. So we cover when Meso was worth about $1. A lot of people was making fun of us. Meso was $1, now is $1.65. So 65% up since the entry. And we cover a couple of times. We've been trading Mesoblast a couple of times as well. And also Block, which was a stock that everyone was focusing to. Zip, and then we said here 2 months ago that Block was extremely undervalued compared to other buy now pay laters. Obviously, Block is far more diversified than Zip. It's not only a buy now pay later company. I'm not gonna go in detail now, but 2 months ago it was trading under $100, and this morning we locked in because it reached not only BGS 20 target but also our long-term target at $150. So there was another 60% profit on one of our greatest trades of the year. Now let's jump into a Mesoblast. So if you look at the chart formation here for Meso, okay, so you see there was a this huge red candle, but I want to focus more than in the chart formation right now. I want to focus into the fundamentals, and that's why we are trading this stock. This is a speculative stock. It's not a stock that I suggest or recommend for anyone that is a conservative trader or an investor. Remember, this is not a financial advice, but some people ask me what I think about Mesoblast. This is not a stock for a conservative trader. This is a high-risk stock. You've got to understand what's happening behind the scenes. But I'm going to briefly share what happened today with the announcement. First of all, I think the market was just a sell-off. People taking profits. Some people maybe was waiting for this announcement to occur, and then once they happen, they just taking profit out. However, this is a support, and I'm talking about a fundamental level. This is a development that is extremely positive for Mesoblast. So this is what I said to my VIP members this morning. Today, announcement regarding the FDA granting the Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation to Mesoblast Revascor, which is another treatment. It's not the same treatment that Mesoblast has recently lodge the biological license application. Okay, so the BLA lodged a few months ago was for another treatment, was for remestemcel-L, which aims as treating pediatric steroid refractory acute graft versus host disease. It's a bit complex here. out of my comfort zone, but I just want to highlight this. Today's announcement is nothing to do with the FDA approval or with anything related to the biological license application that was lodged and that we made the trade based on a potential approval. Nothing to do with that. It's a different treatment, but now this designation allows Mesoblast to lodge another BLA, another biologic license application for potentially receiving the approval to commercialize this second treatment. So they're extremely positive for Mesoblast. I don't know why. I don't want to even know why Mesoblast has been sold out here during the day, but I would expect this. I would expect in a very short term for the share price to recover and to reach new highs. That's my thought on Mesoblast. Obviously, there's no guarantees in the market. Also, we are hoping to exit from this trade before the FDA approval is announced. Whether it's going to be approved or not, that's supposed to be irrelevant for our trade. If Mesoblast reach our long-term targets, actually. Sorry, I was going to say BGS 20 target, but that has reached already. BGS 20 target 30% was right there at $1.30. So now we are expecting for the long-term target to be reached, even though this red candle looks a little bit dodgy, but fundamentally now Mesoblast is even stronger, showing more confidence to serious investors. And I don't think, other than manipulation or people taking profit, I don't think that Mesoblast will crash any further. It could maybe potentially test $1.50, but I would say this, it's more likely, based on the fundamentals, that we will see Mesoblast reaching new highs, if obviously we don't have a negative outcome from the BLA that has been lodged a few months ago. All right, this is my view on Mesoblast. I'm very positive. We're gonna keep holding. We don't think this is a concern. It's actually it's a time to be more excited of me holding Mesoblast. That's my only opinion. Obviously, this is not a financial advice. Make your own due diligence. Okay, just sharing our view on Mesoblast. Thank you very much. I'll see you next video. Bye.